Hi, good day. Today I'm going to discuss about the marine pollution Annex 4. Regulation for the prevention pollution of by seaweeds from ship entered into into force on September 27, 2003. Okay, now let's talk first about the basic seaweeds discharge rules. Discharging raw seaweeds into the ocean is generally forbidden, means bawal. Why? Because it damages marine life and causes pollution. However, a ship is allowed to empty its seaweeds into sea depending on how the seaweeds is treated and how for the ship is from the nearest land. First, we have untreated raw seaweeds. The seaweed is not broken down or disinfected. The ship must be more than 12 nautical miles away from the nearest land before discharging it. So na ay i-consider na kalayuan para sa safety. Next is communicated and disinfected seaweeds. The ship uses an approved system to chop up or communicated and disinfect the waste. It can be discharged when the ship is more than 3 nautical miles away from the nearest land. And another one is approved seaweed treatment plant. If the ship has a fully operational and certified seaweed treatment plant on board, the treated clean water can be discharged anywhere. So pwede ra siya ilabay bisan asa ka dili raman siya kayo harmful sa surroundings and dili rasad kayo sa halata. So now let's move on the special rules for passenger ships, special areas. In page 22, state that there are certain parts of the ocean like the Baltic Sea are marked as special areas because they are highly sensitive to pollution. So it means dali ra siya maugawan. In these areas, passenger ships are generally completely prohibited from discharging seaweeds. The only exception is if the passenger ship is running an advanced approved seaweed treatment plant that specifically removes nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, which cause harmful algae blooms. Next, we have the onboard treatment methods. To safely meet these discharge rules, ships use different types of treatment system mentioned in page 3 and 24. So, traditional type to marine sanitation devices. This system filter out big solids, use aerobic bacteria to eat away the organic waste, filter it again, and use chlorine to kill harmful germs. Before pumping the treated liquid overboard, just like a swimming pool na ay chlorine gigamit ana para ma-maintain ang kahinloon and avoid bacteria. Plus the advanced wastewater treatment system, AWT, membrane bioreactors, MBR. This is used often by cruise lines and advanced ships. This system combines biological breakdown with ultrafine physical filter membranes and UV UV light disinfection. This produce very high quality clean water that meets strict environmental standard. Very hinlo na ni siya using high technology. Like imagine ka ng mga tubig sa kanal. Kaya na hinloon kaya na hinloon o haon ang mga bakterya bisan unsa pa mas kahugaw gamit advanced water treatment. Okay, that's it. I hope you learned something. Thank you.